Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by my amazing team here at Solar Wolf Energy. And today we're going to talk about this new issue coming up with potential solar cell shortages from China. It seems like the Biden administration is putting the screws to China for forced labor and slave labor for solar cell production. Now I agree with this. I'm pretty sure on a human level and morale level, we all do. This is going to cause, I would have to assume, safely assume, that this is going to cause shortages and price increases on top of the natural inflation we've already been going through. Solar cells are made from aluminum, glass, and polysilicon. So now the polysilicon prices, as we've seen, I think it was Bloomberg, there was an article where it said prices for solar will be thrown into reverse because they've been going down for the last decade. And that article, it did spell out that polysilicon prices are now at the same level that they were 10 years ago. This, I think, is going to push it even higher. So those companies that make their own cells, or like for solar, it's going to be a massive winner for this. SunPower, massive winner for this. So it's going to be interesting to see how the rest of the industry scrambles and tries to keep the prices competitive and keep production moving at the same time. Those are two things I think are going to headbutt. I think you're going to either try to see production going ahead, but prices drastically increase, or prices, they're going to try to, maybe they'll eat some profits if they're allowed, the manufacturers, if they can, to keep prices low, but you're going to get less material overall because they're not going to want to take that much of a hit at scale. Whichever route we end up looking at here, and hopefully it's not that big of an impact, but more importantly, and I say this even as a business owner, the revenue side and everything else, more importantly, I hope that, and I sincerely hope, that this slave labor issue does get taken care of over in China. I think that's on a human level, that's more important than any solar or any amount of money in the world. I think we'd all agree on that. I wish I had some great news for this, but I wanted to bring this to everyone's attention because it is important on a real moral scale, and with human capital I think is always more important than financial. So from all of us here at Solar Wolf Energy, thank you for watching another episode of Uncensored Solar TV. Thanks.